Hey everyone, this is me Ziaur Rahman and let me give you a tour of my self-study kit for language learners and public speakers. Have a look here. So it has a lot of stuff. So I'll go one by one. First you get a customized bookmark. So this is for Deepak and you'll get your own name printed here. So this is a bookmark. You also get a small keychain. So depending on the name or letter you want, and these are preserved flowers inside. Then you get some aesthetic papers if you are somebody who likes scrapbooking, book scrapping, and also this you can enjoy. We have got some stationery. We have got color pencils. My favorite, one of my favorite items in the kit. Then you have got one diary. Then you have got another diary, and then you have got another diary. So that's that. This is my letter, handwritten letter, coming directly from me to the person who orders. Then you get this book. This is my book, The Confluent Speaker. This talks about MKPF framework, mindset, knowledge, practice, and feedback. 4 things that you need to improve your confidence and fluency in English. Other than that, also as a public speaker, I know a lot of times people struggle with their mindset. Their English is good, but they think somebody will judge them, somebody will observe their mistakes, and also in this workbook, you can learn about what is growth mindset, what are the roadblocks that are stopping you from achieving fluency and confidence, what implications these things have, and how you can master change. So this is actually a workbook where you will have to answer these questions when it comes to speaking English and expressing yourself. What kind of mindset do you feel you currently have? Are you open or curious? Do you hesitate or self-doubt? So once you start answering these things, you will start getting clarity on how resilient you are, and this is also customized to MKPF. So you see mindset goals, knowledge goals, practice goals, feedback goals. So this is basically going with my book, and it has multiple sections in this. So this way you will have all these modules here. Also, you will get something called the Confluent Communicators Handbook. This is basically a handbook, a collection of trackers, collection of vocabulary, phrases, and grammar. You get trackers so you can track your habits. You pronunciation tracker so you can track all the pronunciation mistakes you are making. Vocabulary tracker, and all these things I have personally picked up, handpicked these phrases and everything, keeping Indian learners in mind, keeping Indian working professionals in mind, and the kind of idioms, phrases, phrasal verbs, all these vocabulary collection that you need. It has also grammar, like tenses start, so all the tenses are explained here. All 12 tenses with formulas and everything, positive, negative, yes, no type questions, WH type questions. You also have modal verbs explanations in simple lines, 1-line explanations, So keeping it easy and practical for you. Can is used to express ability, capacity, permission, and possibility. Then how to make sentences with it. So it's a great resource which will give you a lot of important and interesting things. So you get this, but it's not all. You also get, since we are in this AI era, you also get AI prompt sheet for English learners. This is specially designed by me, especially for language learners, and how you can improve in language using AI. So this is an amazing resource for you. Again, it is custom for my book, Mindset, Knowledge, Practice, and Feedback. So this is like a whole ecosystem where you can work on different areas, set your goals, and how you can start learning and practicing on your own. How to use this guide effectively. Practice prompts, you have knowledge prompts, practice prompts, feedback prompts, everything. So I have given multiple prompts for different sections. How to practice for pronunciation, you have different prompts. You have to just type these prompts inside ChatGPT or any other AI tool, and you will start getting lots and lots of interesting responses. So yeah, this AI prompt sheet will also help you a lot. And other than that, you also get a small stationery kit. Here you have your basics, pen, pencil, and this is again the cutest part. You get a DOMS eraser. So this is going to be fun. You have got some more stationery, and here comes the most fun part. So here you have some more cute stationery, because I think language learning is grammar is already boring. So I'm trying to balance it by giving you these things so that you enjoy this and you actually find learning interesting. And this marks your complete